Hello there everybody, and welcome back to another episode of a Midwestern Adventure. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Alright, so it looks like I found something here on the first throw. Whoa, it's got gears on it. And weeds. Get those weeds off. Yeah, what the heck is that used for? Look at that. Huh. What might that be? Guess we'll never know. Alright, not bad. Not bad for the first find. What else do we got on here? Looks like a railroad bolt. A small piece of that item I just brought up. Nice. Alright. It's on my second throw. Looks like it's all railroad spikes here. Lots of weeds. There we go. Look at that. 3 railroad spikes in one go. How about that? Alright, I switched to my Titan and it got me a railroad spike and a little steel pancake. Very nice. Alright. Let's see what I got here. Right off the bat, I see some railroad spikes. Looks like a washer too, and a bolt. Alright. Of course. For this spot, I get a ton of these long railroad bolts. These are everywhere here. Nothing too much left here. Just some crumbs. But yeah, these are really long old bolts. Looks like a couple more railroad bolts coming in. Okay, let's see what's coming up now. One is definitely a bolt, and the other one they both look like some kind of bolts. Alright guys, this feels a bit heavier than just some bolts. Where did I find myself here? What the heck? Yeah, that's definitely some kind of tool. Yeah. Alright guys, so it turns out this thing is not a railroading tool, but it's an old ice pick. You can see the handle right here. You would chop at the ice to make holes and stuff. So really cool. I got myself an ice pick now. I have to clean it up though. Alright, I just came across another large heavy item here. I think I found one of these before. That could be what I think it is. Yep, that's exactly what it is. That is a train brake pad right there, half of one. They're pretty cool to pull up. Not only are they a nice piece of history, but they're nice and heavy. Alright guys, another railroad bolt here. And a railroad spike. Alright, more railroad bolts and a spike. Alright guys, heaviest find of the day here. Whoa. That's a full train brake pad. That's a whole one. And they are not light. Wow. Man, these are awesome to catch. Oh, I'm losing it. There we go. Oh, I barely caught it. Alright, I'm gonna set it down. Look at that. The wheel used to be right inside this groove there. That's a full train brake pad. And then there's a railroad bolt on my Titan as well. Very cool. Whoa! Whoa, there's a lot of washers on this throw. And a railroad spike. Dang, my Titan has a mouthful here. Holy cow. Look at that, you guys. These are cool. These are really cool. This feels like another brake pad here. No, that's not a brake pad. What the heck is it though? It looks like part of a frame off of something. Dang. Wow. Look at that. Oh, and I have one of these little pieces of magnetic iron ore. I forget the name of these. There's a term for them, but these used to be shipped across railways. So I keep these as well, but look at that. Look at that thing. It's like part of a frame or something. There we go. Check that out. That's a good piece of scrap. My cart's filling up a little bit. Here comes another bolt and a washer. Got a bunch of weeds on it, but I see something. There, I got the weeds off. Huh. That's a weird little gadget. It's got a kind of a square shend on it. Huh. Little piece of scrap. Whoa, that's muddy. That's very muddy. Let's see what I got though. Oh, well, that's barely on there too. Check that out. I barely caught an old railroad tie. Check this out, you guys. Found the brim of a barrel. Look at that. That's like the brim of a 50-gallon drum right there. At first I almost thought I was stuck on something, but now I'm just dragging it to the bridge here. Man, is this heavy. I thought I was stuck until I loosened it up. Holy cow, this is big. Let's see what it is. Wow, that's big. Could be something small, but man, this thing is about, it's got to be about 20-30 pounds. Weeds. Oh, it's an anchor. That's what that is. It's an anchor. Covered in weeds, though. Is that an anchor? No, I'm not too sure. It looks like an anchor to me, but never seen that type of anchor before. Wow, that's heavy. It's full of weeds. Holy man. That's definitely an anchor. If I can even get it up here. Get some of these weeds off. Oh my gosh. There we go. That loosens it up a lot. There we go. Check that out. Is that an anchor? I can hardly tell. Yeah, it's gotta be an anchor. It is so decrepit though. Well, yeah, it's a really old anchor. Alright, there it is, you guys. This thing was really deep in the mud and my Titan pulled it out. This has got to be a very old anchor. It's been welded. Very nice. Add that to the cart. Man, am I nailing it with the railroad spikes today. Wow. 3 more. Alright. Looks like I had found another railroad spike here. Get these weeds off. These weeds are a menace. There we go. Okay, what do we got here? Washer off the end of the railroad spike. That's how I found it. It's kind of odd, but yep, got a railroad spike among a few other rusty things on there. Alright, coming up are a couple more railroad washers here. Different sizes too. Nice. Looks like I found myself a railroad spike here. Just one. It's pretty clean though. Let's see, does it have any writing on top? Nope, don't see any. Nice little find though. And another railroad spike with a bolt. Very nice. There comes a railroad bolt. Just one. Not sure what that is. It's just a piece of wood. But yeah, a nice bolt here. Alright. Another bolt and some railroad spikes. Look at that. Oh, almost got her. There we go. Alright, I see some color on the end of that. Oh, okay. Okay. Caught a shotgun shell. There's something new. Alright guys, I think I just stumbled across another anchor here. There we go. I'm pretty sure that's what that is. I really stuck that object hard. I think that's another anchor. Let's find out. No, it's not. It's a railroad part. But I'll take it. Alright guys, that will wrap things up for today's video. A ton of railroad stuff, a little bit more than I wanted, but I'm glad I found that anchor and that ice pick, a couple of useful tools that I can clean up and maybe use for myself or sell. So again, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.